Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a savvy shopper who loves scoring deals on eBay, you're going to love this tip. Getting cash back through Rakuten. It's like getting paid to shop. Who could say no to that? Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make it happen, so you can start saving right away. First things first, what's Rakuten? It's a free cashback platform that partners with thousands of stores, including eBay. When you shop through Rakuten, you earn a percentage back on your purchases, sometimes up to 10% or more during special promotions. It's easy, secure, and can add up quickly for your everyday buys. To get started, head over to the Rakuten website or download their app. It's completely free to sign up. Just create an account with your email and verify it quickly. Once you're in, search for eBay in the Rakuten search bar. You'll see the current cashback offer for eBay, so keep an eye out for the best deals. Now, here's the crucial part. Don't go straight to eBay. Instead, click on the eBay link directly from Rakuten. This activates the cashback tracking for your session. Then, shop as you normally would on eBay. Add items to your cart, make your purchase, and you're good to go. After your order ships, Rakuten will track it and credit the cashback to your account, usually within a few days. Once you accumulate at least $5, you can cash out via PayPal or a check. Pro tip. Check Rakuten regularly for double cashback events or exclusive eBay deals to maximize your earnings. There you have it, an easy way to get extra money back on your eBay hauls. Give it a try on your next shopping spree and watch your savings grow. If you have any questions or tips of your own, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.